Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful video. I got this package from Amazon. I went from this dining chair to this beautiful dining chair. Let's get it started. My package is arrived. I have to come down right now to go and take it. Yeah, the dining chair I ordered for is arrived. So yeah, I'm happy. Alright. I think they are coming right now. I think that is the vehicle, that red color. I think I have to wait for them. I'm so happy to get this car. I said this car to receive these chairs. So that is the guy coming. I think this thing like the thing looks so small in my height, like 6 chairs. I just pray the thing should complete, right? I pray it should complete also. That is the stuff coming right now. I'm so happy to receive this package. My package has arrived. I have to close the door. So this is the package right now. Like who is going to help me to carry this to upstairs? Oh my god. I didn't want to make it as a surprise for my husband before you come back from work. Unfortunately, I have to wait for you. Because it is so big, I cannot take it up by myself. I have to just let it be here. Then I'll wait for him until they come back. That is too, I'm going to do this at night. Or maybe I will give it a try if I can carry it up. Let's see. So I was trying to take it all by myself at the same time being very careful so that I won't scrape it because I saw it from some buyers and where they put the photo on Amazon that some of it are damaged. So I was trying to be very careful with it so that I won't scrape it or damage anything from it. I'm so happy to get this dining chair. Oh my goodness sake. I didn't order for any dining table because I have dining table and I love that dining table so much. Unfortunately, I could not see any chair that fits it. So I have to go for this. My package is here. Oh my god, I want to go and change my dress because today is 18. Yesterday was my birthday. So today is 18, right? Yeah, so I'm so happy for this stuff that I ordered. My husband didn't know that I ordered for this chair, so I just want to make it as a surprise for him. Yeah, I want the, I think or I pray that I should be able to get the reaction when they come back from work. So his brother and him. So I hope I will get the reaction on camera. So I want to try my effort right now to fix it. I will see if I can fix it. But first of all, I need to go and change this top and this trouser because I'm feeling hot. Yeah, I'm coming. We're coming. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I've changed my dress. I have to change my dress because it's so hot. The reason why I have the dress on is because I went to drop my baby off at school this morning and it's still morning time. Yeah, we are still in morning time. And yeah, I have to change because I'm feeling so hot. All right, so let's unbox or unpackage our package. Yeah. Oh my goodness sake, I did a mistake here. As I unboxed it, I saw the color. I was like, oh no, this is not what I really want. I thought the color is going to fit my kitchen. Unfortunately, it didn't fit it. It did not fit it. Oh my goodness sake. I thought the artist color is going to rhyme with my kitchen because I think my kitchen is kind of blue, like gray color, like arches color, something like that. So that was why I went for this color. When I saw it on the phone, I was like, on the application, I thought it's going to be the same thing as my kitchen because it really looks similar to it on the phone or on the application. So I thought it's going to be the same thing. Unfortunately, I have nothing to do. I don't want to return it back, and I
Alright
think
guys,
it can
so
still
these
fit.
are the chair. I think this is the back of the chair. Yeah. So I ordered for 6 because the chair, let me show you guys something. I'm so sorry. Let me show you guys something. So this is the chair we were using before. I love the chair so much, it's so strong, but due to it just three, they're just three, so and we are 6 in number here. So I decided to order for this because I've been searching for this type of chair. Unfortunately, I could not find because the chair is so beautiful and so strong. So I have to order for these ones, and they are gray color, arches color. This arches color, right? So I hope I will be able to fix everything by myself. I think so. I pray that I should be able to fix everything all by myself. In case you guys are hearing some noise, like background noise, please bear with me right now because the kids are now in holiday. Because my baby boy that is in primary school have taken holiday. Yeah, so I'm trying to take everything out so that I will know what and what is next for me to do. It's my first time fixing stuff by myself. Like I really want to give it a try to just fix it by myself. And trust me, guys, it's not hard at all. It's what you can do all by yourself. But it's kind of hard because it's my first time. I have to fix it and refix it before
Alright,
I
before
got
we
it.
take the remaining one out, let me sit down because I'm feeling hot. Let me sit a little bit. Before we take the remaining one out, so I really want to fix it before my hubby will come back from work. I really want to surprise him, so I really want to fix it. So I will try my effort to fix it by myself. This is the back of the chair. So this is the legs. And what is this? I don't know. All right, okay, this is the hip edge. I say hip, it's bum bum. So this is the edge of it, and this is the seat. All right, so let's get it done. I think I can do it. So let's go.
There is this saying that says you have to make some mistake before you can be perfect in something. This is really true. Like it really happened to me right now when I'm trying to fix this chair. I don't know that I have to put some plates before I'll tie the boat well. So I'm like I'll fix like 5 chairs before I realized that I have to put some plates. Oh my goodness. So I have to lose all the chair and I started from oh my goodness sake. Like you have to learn something. Sincerely speaking, you cannot be waiting for hobby to be doing stuff for you every time. This is my first time fixing stuff by myself without any help. I think I used like 3 hours plus. Why doing this? I used like 3 hours plus, and I was so tired. I was drinking water. Oh my goodness sake! So I have to go and take this drilling machine to so that I can tie the boat well, so that when we sit there, it won't break or it won't lose. So I have to do it. And I started trying to put the nail, trying to fix it. Like I literally got everything at the end of the video. Please let me know in the comment section. Have you ever tried to fix anything all by yourself with no help? Like with nobody helping you, with nobody rendering help for you? Let me know in the comment section. I want you to let me know how you felt or how you're feeling when you are fixing it. For me, I was feeling okay. I was feeling good to do this because when I first made the mistake, I was about to give up. Yeah. When I first fixed the first chair and it didn't straight, I was like, I think I'm still going to leave this thing for my husband to come and fix it all by himself when he come back from work. The second thought is telling me that don't give up, just give it another try. Another mind is telling me that what if your husband is not around? Are you going to call other people to come and do it for you? And in this abroad, hey, if you want to call someone to come and fix something for you, just get ready to pay. Like, get ready to pay good money. It's either you do it yourself, you do DIY, or you get someone paid to do it for you. Hmm. Or you pay someone to come and do it for you because nothing is free here. There is nothing called free here. If I come to your house to fix your problem, you have to pay me. If you lose guard yourself and you do free of charge for someone, when it's your time, don't be surprised when they ask you for money because that is how it works. Let me quickly say this to you guys, and let me say what I really learned when I'm fixing this chair. There is nothing impossible for you to do because God called you small God on earth. So there is nothing impossible for you to do. When I was trying to fix this chair, I wanted to give up when I made the mistake. I wanted to give up, like, I can't do it. Maybe I should wait for my husband to come and fix it. But I still give it a second thought. The reason why I want to fix this. I really wanted to surprise him. And I tried to make myself like I tried to fix it by myself again, and I got it. And see the outcome of my effort for 3 hours plus. See the outcome of my effort. So if you want to do something, just try to put your effort, try to put your mind in it, and you are going to get it right. I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to share my video, like, subscribe. Please share it, please. I'm begging you guys, please share my video out. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay tuned.
Don't forget to love yourself. Keep pushing. You are going to get there. I promise. And bye.